Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I am Maritis Malikuban Sigura. I'm 40 years old. I'm married. I'm a high school graduate. I have two children. The ages of my two children is 16 and 14 years old. Uh, my work experience here in Philippines, 2 years taking care of baby, general cleaning in the house, all the household chores I'm doing. My 7 years in Kuwait, my duties there is the main is elderly. I'm assisting then go to the hospital for taking the maintenance for her medicine. Then I'm sharing with her room. Then my duties is general cleaning in the house, washing clothes, ironing, and gardening outside. Uh, uh, to my future employer, please hire me, ma'am and sir. I'm trustworthy, hardworking, I'm obedient. I promise I will do my best. Then I promise I will finish my contract and obey the rules of your family. Thank you, ma'am and sir. Good day.